Hello, in front of me I've got Ram 1500. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable tow haul mode, and I'll explain what does it do. To enable tow haul mode, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got this button. Press it to enable this function. You can see that tow haul mode is enabled on the instrument cluster. Now let me explain what does it do. Tow haul mode in Ram 1500 is feature designed to improve performance when towing heavy trailers or hauling heavy loads. When activated, it adjusts the transmission's shift patterns and throttle response to provide better control and reduce wear on the vehicle. The key functions of tow haul mode in the Ram 1500 are: holds lower gear longer to provide more power and reduce gear hunting, increases engine brake especially on downhill slopes, improves throttle response for more confident acceleration under load, and reduces transmission overheating by optimizing gear use. Tow haul mode is especially useful when towing a trailer or camper, hauling heavy equipment or payloads, and driving in hilly or mountain terrain. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.